Welcome back to Blue's Garden. Starting my 2024 zucchini and squash. Grilled zucchini and squash are great sides. My family loves them. So here I am. I'm going to start some butternut squash. I'm going to put 6 seeds in, 1 in each cell. This is a very finely sifted seed starter. I use a 1/4-inch classifier from Gems and whatnot to sift out any of the big stuff. Put the seeds in. The soil was pre-moistened, and then I just put a tiny bit on top, pat it down, and label it, because all these seeds, all the little starts, all look alike. Next up, I'm going to start some spaghetti squash. Again, 6 in each, 1 in each cell. Top it off with a tiny bit of some soil, pat it down to get some good soil to seed contact, and spaghetti squash label. Again, very important. Next up, some golden zucchini. Golden zucchini and black beauty zucchini are a side dish that both in my family like. I do a grilled vegetable mix, and that's one of the things they love. So 1 per cell. Top it off with a little seed starter, pat it down, and of course, label the golden zucchini. And then last up is the Black Beauty zucchini. And I will end up planting a second batch of this. But for now, 1 per cell. Top it off with some seed starter. Pat it down. And label. Goes onto the heat mat. Water from the bottom. A couple of weeks later, you start to see all the starts. I pot them, so I didn't even pot them up. Then I do the hardening off, where I spend a week, 1 day an hour, next day 2 hours, then 4 hours, then 6, then 8 hours, then 8 hours overnight, and plant them. On planting day, they are going into 10-gallon grow bags. It is 1/3 peat, 1/3 soil from last year, all the grow bags, and 1/3 compost. I use black earth compost, but any decent compost will do. And I actually also add in some granular organic fertilizer. So these are the 3 spaghetti squash I did outside. And then these are the 3 spaghetti squash that I do. Out of the 6, I only got 3. I actually got 4 of each. I did 4 golden zucchini and 4 of the black beauty zucchini that I put out into the pots. After everything went in, I then watered them in. And that is my squash and zucchini. On the right-hand side, you can also see the Brussels sprouts, which I did a while ago. Those are the 4 zucchini and 4 golden zucchini. Those 8 coming down. 3 spaghetti squash. And these 3 are the butternut. They will trail up. I'll trellis them up along that back fence. It'd be great if you could share this video. That helps me grow, and that'll help you grow. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden tips.